Hello, Oakdale parents, scholars, and family members. My name is Ruth Bridges. Our exceptional children's department at Oakdale Elementary School welcomes you to a brand new and exciting school year. We look forward to teaming with you to ensure that our Eagle scholars have access to engaging educational experiences that will improve their learning outcomes. We are committed to partnering with you. With me are the members of our exceptional team.
Hi guys, I am Miss Sila and I am the kindergarten first and second grade teacher here at Oakdale. I look forward to working with you.
Hi, my name is Miss Brown. I am the second, third extensions teacher here at Oakdale. I am looking forward to seeing you guys' faces on Zoom.
Hi guys, I'm Miss Sturgis, the fourth and fifth grade teacher in the exceptional program at Oakdale Elementary School. I've been teaching here for 8 years. Hope to see you soon.
Welcome back, everyone. Welcome to newcomers. I'm Miss Fitzpatrick. I am one of the EC General Resource teachers, kindergarten through fifth grade.
Hi guys, I'm Miss Knotts. I am the other EC Resource teacher with the teaching of kindergarten through fifth grade. I look forward to seeing everyone.
Hi, I'm Miss Dennehy. I'm an occupational therapist, and this will be my first year at Oakdale. I'm really looking forward to working with everybody.
Hi, my name is Amy Dundon, and I am an occupational therapist, and I look forward to working with all my exceptional children's teachers and students again this school year.
You might need to hear me. Okay, hi, I'm Miss Pfeiffer Smith. Let's start over. I'm the speech therapist here at Oakdale. This is my 10th year at Oakdale, but I've been doing speech almost 30 years. And there is an itinerant speech therapist, Miss Alker, who will actually be working with me as well. Look forward to seeing you all soon.
Okay, we have some lovely soaring assistants that work with us as well. Our inclusive practice assistant is Miss Montgomery. Our extension assistants are Miss Walden, Miss McKnight, Mr. Myers, and Miss Harrison.
Parents and scholars, we will begin remote learning on August 17th. In order to maintain a safe and productive learning environment, we have established the following virtual learning expectations that we expect all participants to follow. Please review these expectations together as we all work together to provide a productive learning environment for all. The first is scholarly behavior. Make sure you log on a few minutes before your class, bring the materials that you need, pencil, paper, headphones, speak clearly and look up when you're speaking. Follow instructions, make sure that your real name is displayed on your computer. We offer kindness by focusing on the speaker, staying on topic during class discussions, using the raise your hand feature, and using the chat features appropriately. We act responsibly by being attentive, waiting for our turn to speak. It's helpful to set daily goals and make sure that you monitor your goals, and make sure you complete and submit your assignments on time. We respect everyone by muting our microphone when we're not speaking, wearing school appropriate clothing, not having side conversations during instruction, and make sure that you find a quiet spot where you can complete your work and submit it to your teacher.
Our Exceptional Children's Department at Oakdale provides specially designed instructions for our unique learners. We are dedicated to ensure that each and every child that attends Oakdale has access to all of the specialized services that will meet each and every one of their needs.
Please take a moment to either pause the video or take a screenshot of all the contact information of the of our friends in the exceptional department to make sure you are able to have continual communication through email.
All right, guys, we look forward to working with you on Monday.
See you soon.
Bye.
Thank you.